Hello, my beautiful people. I want to tell you something so magical. I want to tell you the secrets, the mind-blowing thing that happened to me. It was just like a miracle. It was just like amazing. I was so shocked. I had about 500 subscribers, and there was this movement that just moves like this overnight from 500 to 1,000, I think 1,200 subscribers. My God. And this secret is what I want to share with you here. Ensure you stick with me to the end. And I know it can help you. That's why I'm here. Okay, so the secrets, or one of the secrets, was shorts. Do you know that uploading shorts can work like miracle for you? Yes, it did for me, and so that's why I'm here to tell you. I'm going to show you everything step by step. I got over 800 subscribers from just one short. And so it's not just any kind of shorts. It's not just every kind of short. There are some kind of shorts that when you upload can give you mind-blowing results. In fact, up till now, I'm still getting more subscribers from that short. So today I'm going to show you everything. Yes, some persons may tell you, don't upload shorts. Shorts are not good. Short, no, but short has worked for me. Yeah, so I'm here to tell you that if you do this, just follow what I want to show to you. I'll show you everything. And then if it gets down well with you, why not? You can hop into it. Yes, it helped me, and that's why I'm here. So I don't know what you want. If what you want is subscribers, this is for you. All right, so see you in my studio. Ensure you like, share, subscribe so that more persons can get this value. Bye for now. Bye. All right, so let's go straight to the YouTube app. Okay, you can see my name here. So we're going to do view channel. All right, so it's open now. For this particular tutorial, we're looking at shorts. So I want to show you a particular short I opt into that brought in the magic, brought in the sauce. All right, so yeah, I actually opt into other shorts, but this particular one made the difference, right? Because it came flooding
finger
in.
down for each song, you know. If you put more than 5 fingers, you're officially the king or queen of.
This particular short is what I'm actually talking about today. So this short gave me about 754 subscribers. Only this short. Now I'm not talking about other shorts. All right, other shorts. I have other shorts that give me up to like 10, 20, 15, 30, 60. I've seen different shorts that give me such number of subscribers. But this particular one, this was the very first short that gave me hundreds. Particular short gave me 7. As at now, it still keeps increasing, right? So this gave me 700. As at today, I'm doing this record, 754 subscribers, and I had about 39,000 views from this one shot. And so it was this particular shot that just, it was just these subscribers that are just coming, just coming. I had all ages watch this, male and female, the both genders. Then my top location was United States, United Kingdom, and South Africa. They really watched, and I had about 111 shares. Okay, so yeah, so this particular shot now is very easy. How are you going to do it?
You're officially
You
the
can
king
just
or
click.
queen of social media.
Okay, let's still leave here. Now, how do you do it? If you want to do this particular shot, you want to up into it, just come to my page now, click on where the music is, and just say use sound, and just do the activity. And it was so easy. If I tell you something like you're going to laugh. This particular shot, it was just a Saturday morning like that. I said, okay, I just woke up as if something woke me up. Go and do these shots. And then I just opted, I had not even had my bath. Okay, we can just leave that part of it. I just washed shirt and just said, okay, let me just do this. Just one of these random videos. I just did it and then left it. And it picked up. The shots, the subscribers were just coming and coming and coming. So that's why I'm saying that shorts, if you need subscribers, shorts is your sure bet. So let's also go to the YouTube studio and see how well these shorts did, and also see the analytics. Go to the YouTube studio as well and check. Let's go to content. We're going to shorts. So click on view all so that all the shorts will be out for us to pick the particular shorts we want to look at. Yes, this is the shorts here. Okay, so look at it. Is this about this? The short is about puts a finger down challenge. It comes to different challenges, right? Put a finger down. It comes to different types. This is put a finger down, trend expert. So this is the particular one. The ranking is 1 of 10. The ranking is very high. It has given me 39,000 plus views. The average percentage view is 73. People always watch it, view it, so it can always give you what you want. Look at the subscriber count, 754 subscribers. So it's not gimmicks, it's not a joke. Watch time this short gave to me is 237 watch time. All right, this particular shot was a game changer for me, and so why not, if you really want to increase your subscriber count, I think you should up into this particular type of shorts, and you really want to increase your subscribers. I'm suggesting that you go into shorts, and then this type of shorts also will give you. It gave me, I pray that it will also give you this. And then if you are wondering how you're going to upload this type of shorts, how you're going to do it, in this video up here, I just talked about how you can upload shorts that will go viral. If you are not too sure of how to go about it, watch that video and then come back to thank me. All right, so I hope you found value. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please do well to give this video a like, a comment, share, and then also subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.